Good morning, everyone. Welcome back on Daily Crypto Plan. It's May 26th, Tuesday. I'm Paul J from Crypto Traders Arena. Well, morning Johnny, morning Timmy, hey Pezo, hey Diana, hey Dimitri, hey Bukur. Let's start as usual with Bitcoin on daily and we'll go from there. So, where are the moon boys? I don't see them. Where are they? Smile still active. Yam still active. Target for the house still here below 74. Looks like we are going in that direction. Let's see if this level will hold when we'll touch that. So far, yesterday we had a ugly candle. Yeah. We are bouncing, we are trying to do something, but you saw ES bouncing at the opening last night and Bitcoin barely flinching, barely trying to do something. So imagine what will happen if ES will dump. Manipulation on the traditional market as much as possible. Yeah. Trump is doing his thing, the other people trying to compensate and they want to make some money. So imagine that up and down all over the place. We need to adapt and we need to keep it simple. Key levels for us, wait at specific levels for specific setups and try to make some money. We are not here to predict what Trump will do. We are not here to predict where the market will go. We are here to take some levels and do the best we can with those, and hopefully at the end of the week we'll be profitable. Okay, so Bitcoin, it's in the range here, but at least is moving a bit. I don't know if better or we have a bit slightly better volatility, but looks like we'll have some volatility this week. Okay. So, indicators pointing in the same direction, same warnings. Here, we are between levels, between the neckline and the support at 73, 74. I don't recommend you to be too aggressive as a swing trader. It's kind of hard to take any trade here, up or down. As a day trader, we already have on Bitcoin, we already have the Monday range, which could give us some setups. For traditional market, we don't have the Monday range because the market opened in the morning. Well, let's wait until tomorrow. We'll have the Tuesday range. Why not? If you know the idea behind the Monday range, then you'll be with the same thinking like me that we can play the Tuesday range. No? It's the same concept. Now, nothing to do here as a swing trader on lower time frame. Okay, we can play around. It's still an ugly environment. Ethereum, weaker, similar level like yesterday. We are holding the middle of the range so far, at least at the moment. If we'll accept in the long reload zone and we'll see some W's, maybe we can play something as a swing trader. But I think if we'll dump in the long reload zone, we need to take some levels here, to take some liquidity before we'll be able to reverse, if we'll be able to do that. We have big M's confirmed. I think the best level to play if the market will bounce is this one, neckline of the big M. I'll pinpoint to that direction if it will happen. I'll try to frame some setups there. Indicators are looking the same, nothing special from yesterday. Bitcoin dominance is trying to do some yams, but you can see we have an yam, we have the second yam. If we'll manage to accept at 60% and below, then maybe we'll have an altcoin season. Maybe we'll have some season, something. In the same time, people think about traditional market, think about everything else. Sell in May and walk away. May, it's almost over. And we had a bounce. We had a bounce, a really nice pump on ES, all-time high. Traditional market did really nice things to the upside. Imagine a retracement in ES. Imagine really bad news hitting the market. What do you think will happen with altcoins? What do you think will happen with Ethereum? Even with Bitcoin? So be extra careful. Yeah. I consider the sell in May and walk away valid for crypto. Valid. Do whatever you want. Feel free to buy in May and stay until the fall if you want. It's up to you. But here, yeah, we have some daily EMs, but it's not, I don't know, going down. It's going sideways. We can stay here for longer. Ethereum versus Bitcoin. I don't know what I could say about this. Straight down. No W, no nothing. I said yesterday, Wyckoff check and other levels. No W, no clear setup, nothing we can do. That is telling us how weak is Ethereum if you put it with Bitcoin. Yeah? You can see. Straight fucking down. Total market cap exactly in the same place like yesterday and a couple of days ago. We talked about the Bitcoin on CME. Let's take a look on classic chart. Well, this scenario 2, played out not as I wanted, a bit higher. Didn't have the strength to go there. But you can see up and then EM and then down. Let's see what will happen here. Will bounce? Looks weak, doesn't want to bounce. Will dump lower? Possible. Anyway, if we put the other one for higher time frame, the longer I see the EMs here, the longer I see the market EMing out, the more I think this is a fake out on weekly. This is a fake out. It's a W, a clear W, but actually a fake out, like this one. If you want to look on other cycles and see how many fake outs, W's and fake outs we did, go ahead. If you want to see the gap in the profile, well, just look at the chart. Look at it. But if we accept below the POC and we'll take the lows, then you know the direction, you know the area, you know the time where we expect to go down. Will happen? I don't know. Let's watch. Slow and steady. But be damn sure if Bitcoin will accept below 50k and will stay here at 40, be damn sure that people will call 20k and lower. Anyway, we are not the public. We'll be here and we'll buy if will be the case. Now, let's take a look at ES a little bit. A new day, a new all-time high. Is that fucking simple? Just look at it. It's strong. Let's respect that. You can play long and short and short and long on lower time frame. On higher time frame, nothing you can do here. It's strong. You can see it. We had some bearish divergence. We had some warnings on indicators. The market doesn't care. It's still pushing higher. At some point in time, you'll see why we had the divergence. At some point in time, we'll see an EM. We'll see a 3-bar fractal and the market will go down. But when? We don't know that. So we don't fuck around without clear setups. Gold, it's in the same place like yesterday, 2 days ago, going sideways. The volatility is going down, which is not bad. It's consolidating. We'll go down because we have this EM. Possible. Silver, similar. I told you multiple times, I don't want to trade gold and silver. I don't even want to look too deep on them. They play their part, their role. People made money with them. Now it's time to just let them be, let them consolidate. And when we'll see clear signs that they want to move again, hopefully we'll be able to participate. Oil going down, the war is over. Soon enough, you'll see that actually the war is not over and will pump back up. Did oil at $100, $110 did this job increasing the inflation and satisfying the greed of 1%? I don't know. Honestly, I don't know. They could do one more time? I think they can do one more time. What will happen? I don't know. I know that I'll pay attention to the SFU for a short, and I'll pay attention here below $70 for a potential long. I still want to see something like this. In between, be my guest. Nothing, I don't think it's wise for us to fuck around. If you remember here, I told you it's a short reload zone. Don't bet on anything. Stay out, and you can see what's happening. It's too ugly in my view. Well, some shit coins are moving. Some shit coins are trying to do something. I'm still waiting. People are aggressively trying to short this one. I saw someone trading and even managing to make some money here. Okay, that's not bad. But equal highs here, equal highs there. It's wise to step in front of this one. I'm not talking with scalpers. Scalpers, even some sharp day traders, they could move around all over the place. I'm not talking with them. I'm talking with the rest of you that you are thinking to short something like Zach here. Too damn close to the SFU level. Too many confluences here. Why you don't just wait until you have a crystal clear setup? I'll wait. Yeah, if you remember, I made some money here. Long, short. If you put 4-hour chart, you'll see the short. We made nice money with this one. You think I don't want to make money? Why I'm not trading this one? Anyway, it's up to you. It's your money. I'm not a financial advisor, so it's totally up to you, people. I don't take credit for your wins. I don't take responsibility for your losses. Tia. Let's go a bit zoom in. A, B, C, D played out. We made 6R. We bounced back down. We retraced back down and we are bouncing in the short reload zone. Yeah, some people will say, well, I want to short here. Maybe yes, maybe just leave it alone. If you zoom out, you'll say, well, why the fuck I should short? Just look at it. You want to short something that looks like this? You think it doesn't have room to go up? No. We have our spot bags on TIA, most of us, or all of us. We played some setups. Now I'm just waiting for the next one. My play will be to let it dump. We'll dump again. We'll consolidate. And then to try to find an entry again. Play a nice setup. If we'll dump at the lows, maybe I'll even buy again and sell half on a dump. For the moment, I have a nice bag. You know that. I bought the and my average price is higher. But we have time, people. We just started a bear market. Imagine how long this one could fuck around between $1 and 10 cents. Even lower. There are money to be made in some shit coins. That doesn't mean we'll go to the all-time high. But there are money to be made if you are patient, if you are waiting for specific levels, if you are playing clear setups. There are money to be made in a bear market. People that are old in crypto traders arena know that we can make money in bear market, bull market. We cannot make money if we don't have volatility. If the market is not moving, then okay, nothing we can do. But if it's pumping or if it's dumping, Pengu, we are still in the trade, risk-free, and nothing we can do. Had a really nice move up, almost 2R, and then EM and dump. My stop loss is here, so let's wait and see what will happen. That's the overview, people. Not too many things I could say from yesterday. Kind of the same levels. Yesterday was a holiday and the market didn't move too much. Now, calendar, Tuesday. Well, some medium impact in the New York session. Not too many things to acceptable. And what do we have on lower time frame? For Bitcoin, for crypto, we have the Monday range. Yeah? Monday low, Monday high. We accepted below the Monday low. We are trying to reclaim above the Monday low. And if we'll do that, we can go to the middle and maybe even to the top. Maybe even SFU this Monday high. Why? Well, considering that yesterday the market was closed, was a long holiday, can you think about, well, the high from yesterday, it's a weekend high, or like a weekend high. And we should SFU that level. That level is not safe. In the same time, can you think about this low being a weekend low, and maybe we should go and retest that one? Can you think about a setup you can play here if the market will take that level? Let's start with that. And then if we zoom out a little bit, you can see some SFU levels we should play. I still think the best setups are the SFU setups if you know how to play them. Yeah, sell in May and walk away. Well, yes, on higher time frame. On lower time frame, let's play SFU setups. Let's play level by level. Yeah, because at the end of the week, we want to see some money in our account. It's that simple. When you are investing, you are thinking, well, I'll sell in May and I'll buy in the fall, or I'll do this or I'll do that. As a trader, you want to follow specific levels, play the setup, win or loss. At the end of the week, to draw the line, say, well, I made some money, I have money to pay the bills, and maybe something extra was I did a nice job. See you next week. That's the mentality of a day trader. I'm here to take advantage of lower time frame movements, or take advantage of the noise on lower time frame. Because if you ask a swing trader or a position trader what day traders do, well, they are trading noise up and down. For them, what we have here is just noise. For us is everything, because the lower time frame volatility is feeding us, is giving us money. You have to be sharp enough to participate. We didn't open the VIP registration for public. Only the insiders have the access to pay for next month. But Stefan will announce when we'll open. At the end of the month, Stefan will open the VIP registration again. By the way, people, for a profitable trader, for a trader with an acceptable portfolio that managed to take 5-10 trades, maybe more, probably more than 10 trades every month, and is making some money, how much is for that guy the subscription on VIP? Nothing. It's just gladly paying that subscription. Why? Because he's making 10 times more, or a lot more. But if you are a beginner and you are struggling and you decide, well, no, VIP is for me because I don't have a portfolio, but I'll make money with $100. Doesn't work that way. Please don't apply for VIP if you don't have a minimum portfolio and if you don't know what you are doing. Okay? Stefan is screening, and it's removing the beginner. We don't allow beginners in VIP, but some people, they just lie about it. And we don't have a way to, well, you know, I saw your portfolio. Actually, you are lying. No. If you say that you have a portfolio, I'll believe you. I don't have a way to know if you have that portfolio or not. Okay, people. So, what we can play, like I said, at the highs, play some short ideas. At the lows, play some long ideas. We can start with this level for, you can see an SFU here, could be something. For a long, I think it's aggressive. But this one, 74 to 100, if we'll touch that one, that's a good one. To the upside, you can see the levels. Ethereum. I said yesterday that I'll focus on Ethereum because it looks better for the moment. And I framed 3 setups here. 2 setups on the chart and 1 in our mind. And I said, well, Mountain Man, Shark, and the SFU. Mountain Man told us pretty fast that, well, no, not this time. Shark is deep in profit. And we didn't touch the SFU yet. Okay? Shark hit 2.5. If I am not mistaken. Yeah, you can see. Now we are bouncing. You should be risk-free on this trade. I was hoping for an SFU. Wasn't the case. The market wasn't strong enough to touch that fucking level. We do what we can do with what we have, people. If I was waiting only for the SFU, I'll be completely on the sidelines. Here I played the combo, played the Mountain Man, okay, 0.5, loss, 1% deep in profit. I'm okay. Yeah. Even if I lose both of these trades, I'll lose 1.5% from my account. It's not a big deal. I'll recover in the next setup, in the next setups. But you can see, loss and win. And after this win, maybe the market wants to push higher and hold this Monday low and SFU the level, and then I'll short again. If Ethereum will dump to the long reload zone, will take this level, will go back to 2000, then I'll try to hunt SFU on the long side. Okay, Bitcoin, Ethereum. Ethereum is still weaker than Bitcoin. A lot of equal highs here. So pay attention. If the market will bounce, overall market will bounce, Ethereum should take the liquidity here and then dump again. Aster, don't touch it. Someone said that CZ posted yesterday. Well, you can see the result of CZ posting, no? When CZ is posting, I recommended yesterday, don't touch this one. It's up to you. Tao, fucking around all over the place. It's trying to hold here below $300. And it's ugly to trade. Some people decided to short hype again. Well, this was a nice level. You had some yams. You had a nice opportunity. Make the trade risk-free. I said I'm not touching this one for the moment. I made a nice trade, made nice money with it, and I'm waiting for the next clear setup. In meantime, I'm just looking at it from the sidelines. I don't want to participate anymore. I'll wait. Maybe I'll get another setup. Maybe I'll get something. Solana lagging. If we zoom out, we understand why. I recommended don't touch it. If we lose $80, then you'll see what will happen. Yes, on lower time frame. You can see Monday range from previous week, Monday range from last week, Monday range, we don't have it. Okay, we'll form the Monday range probably today. So prepare for some volatility. I just draw a fib from the lows to the highs. Maybe we'll go back here. Confluence with the Monday high from 2 weeks and last week. And long reload zone, you can see 61.8. So if we'll dump here, well, maybe we have a chance. If we'll be expanding volatility, megaphone pattern, then guess what? We'll take the lows and we'll go lower and then we'll reverse. But the megaphone patterns, people, are hard to trade. They are profitable if you manage to get in at the right moment. Really profitable because the risk to reward is nice. But they are hard to trade, hard to anticipate. Okay, so that's yes. NQ similar, and gold it's still in the range. Let's wait for the Tuesday range to form. Okay, back at Bitcoin, people. SFU of the highs, maybe some short ideas. SFU of the lows, definitely some long ideas. In meantime, let's wait for a setup. Don't go and fuck around. Just open a trade there without a clear setup. No setup, no trade, no nothing. You sit on the sidelines and you are waiting. Yeah? A good trader, it doesn't matter if it's a day trader, swing trader, a good trader is sitting and waiting 90% of the time. If you are not on the sidelines, if you are not waiting 90% of the time, you are doing something wrong. Actually, you are over trading. People think that a day trader or any trader should long and short, long and short. And they try to meet that expectation. Every time they want to be in a trade. But that's actually called over trading. You don't have any business to be in the market if you don't have a clear setup, a clear advantage. No, you sit on the sidelines. That's the big advantage of retail traders. They could get in, they could get out whenever they want. You can stay out for days, for even weeks without touching the market. And your portfolio will be the same. Nobody is forcing you to enter in the market. Market makers have to provide liquidity. Big traders have a different problem. They will not get a fill at a specific level because they are too big. And they have to calculate and manipulate the market to get their fills at specific levels. SFP levels, manipulating the news to get their positions. We as retail traders, we can get in and get the fuck out whenever we want. And that's an advantage. That doesn't mean we should stay in the market like market makers. Is someone paying you to provide liquidity to the charts? To a specific market? No. Why you are doing it for free? Why you are fucking around all day long? Think about it. Why you are here? That's the most important question you should ask every fucking morning. Why I'm opening the computer and why I'm trading? Why? To be right, to trade, or to make money from trading, to make a living from trading, to answer that question every morning, and then you'll, I don't know, see the market differently, or see differently what you should do in the market. Let's see how we manage to promote ourselves. 35, 42. Slow and steady. Thank you, people. I know who you are. I see you every day reposting, hitting the like, commenting, saying good morning. Any gesture matters here. If you put a comment, it's okay. If you repost it, that's nice. If you hit the like, that's nice. The problem I have every time is that 95% are VIP and premium members. 95% of people are VIP and premium members. I see 400, sometimes 500 views, and I know that the beginners or the public is too lazy to push the like button. They are coming back day by day. I see them in the comments sometimes. They are the same people, but it's too lazy for them to push the button. It's up to you, people. I'm not forcing anyone. If I will decide that it's not good for Crypto Traders Arena to keep this live stream for public, guess what? I'll make it unlisted and that's it. Because I know those people from general chat, yeah, that they are not premium. If they want, they will become premium. If they'll see the video go unlisted, they'll go premium. It's so cheap that doesn't matter. But at least we are between us. And I could, if I'll do it unlisted, could go in lower time frame and give more specific levels and maybe even some nice setups. Okay? For the moment, let's keep it for free. Let's do it for public. Let's enjoy. Why not? Well, you can see, same people. Same people every time. Okay, people. Let's wait for a clear setup here. To be honest, here, the market looks kind of weak. If we reject the Monday low and we don't manage to reclaim, then we can go lower. But I have a setup here? No, I don't. Similar on Ethereum. It's bouncing a little bit. Let's see what will happen. London session just started, so let's close the live stream. If you are a VIP member, see you in 2 minutes. Actually, no, it's Tuesday. Sorry. Stefan, and how much time you'll do the live stream? Probably 10-15 minutes. Yeah, today it's Tuesday, so it's free for everyone. Stefan is doing the VIP live stream for everyone. Yeah, so you can ask Stefan all the questions you want. Go and bug Stefan. I'll be out. I need to go and do something. Hopefully I'll be back until the New York session. I have my laptop with me. I have my phone with me. I'll be able maybe to take some trades. I don't know if I'll be able to post in time for VIP or for premium members. So follow Stefan. If he's posting something, analyze that setup, see if it's for you. If you like it, take it. If you don't like it, don't take it. Okay? Well, I don't think they'll be lucky this time. I don't know. I hope that will be back until then. Okay? Okay. See you later. Bye.